In this video, I'm going to show you how to add audio to a video using VLC Media Player, completely free and without installing any extra software. VLC isn't just for playing videos, it also has powerful built-in conversion tools that let you combine audio and video files easily. This is perfect if you want to add background music, voiceovers, or replace the original audio track in a video. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you have VLC Media Player installed on your computer. This tutorial works on Windows, and the steps are very similar on Mac and Linux. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar, click on Media, and then select Convert Save. This will open the Open Media window, which is where we'll start setting everything up. Next, under the File tab, click the Add button. This is where you select your main video file. Browse your computer, choose the video you want to add audio to, and then click Open. You should now see your video file listed inside VLC. Now, here's the important part, where we add the extra audio. At the bottom left of the Open Media window, click the checkbox that says Show More Options. Once you enable this, you'll see additional settings appear below. In these new options, check the box labeled Play Another Media Synchronously. This tells VLC that you want to play and merge another media file along with your main video. After checking that box, click the Browse button next to it. Now select the audio file you want to add to your video. This can be an MP3, WAV, or most common audio formats. Once selected, click Open. At this point, VLC has both your video and your audio loaded and synced together. When you're ready to combine them into a single file, go to the bottom right corner and click Convert Save. You'll now be taken to the Convert screen. Here, you need to choose how the final video will be saved. Under Profile, select a format like Video H.264 plus MP3 in MP4. This is a good choice because MP4 works on almost all devices and platforms. If you want, you can click the wrench icon to customize settings, but for most people, the default profile works perfectly. Next, under Destination, click Browse and choose where you want to save the new video file. Give it a new name so it doesn't overwrite your original video, then click Save. Once everything looks good, click Start. VLC will now process the video and audio together. Depending on the length of your video, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. You'll see the progress bar moving at the bottom of VLC. When the process finishes, navigate to the folder where you saved the file and play the video. You should now hear the added audio playing along with your video. If the timing isn't perfect, you can repeat the process and adjust your audio file before converting again. And that's it. You've successfully added audio to a video using VLC Media Player for free. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple and practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.